Hi everybody. We're gonna work today on. I'm just gonna show you detail in the face. I'm gonna do the nose, the mouth, the eyes, get into the ears, maybe show you some fur detail. This little welcome bear that I'm working on, and well, I gotta tell you guys. I'm in a lot of pain today, and that's pretty much the reason why I'm here making this video for you. I deal with a lot of back pain and abdominal pain, stuff like that, and we're going to doctors and going through therapy. I've been going through this good part of my life, and it's not fun, so please bear with me. The way I talk sometimes when I'm in pain, I get confused because the pain hits. I get stabbing pains often, even when I'm talking. So you'll see me trip over words. You'll see me kind of stop mid-sentence and start on another sentence. I'm not on any pain meds right now, and it seems, pain meds don't seem to work, and so we're just going through that. I don't want to bring my life problems into things too much, but just telling you guys, enjoy the video, and I'll just get to work here and show you some things, and hopefully can get through this. So what I do, I go in with the saw. You're going to see me go in here in V, and then you're going to see me start drawing in the mouth. I use all the saw for the main features. I kind of go into the ears and plunge cut and go sideways. That's called a slough cut. That's where I put the chain in and go sideways. With the detailing, I kind of use the side of the chain with the eyes. I have this tool here, which I made out of a paddle bit for a drill. It took a while to balance it and figure out the right shapes and everything, but this just goes in and zaps the eyes. So that's what you'll see going on here. And besides that, I don't really have a whole lot to say. So we'll just get going here. Thank you. So there's the smiley. I did the nose. There I make an eye well, so when I put that tool in, it leaves a nice impression for the eye and the eye socket. Here I slough cut. This whole carving for the camera thing is pretty difficult. Even under the chin I start to trim out. I'm not used to having that camera right there while I'm carving, so a lot of the times while I move around, and I've practiced for years trying to get the right camera angles nice and close up so you can see. That's probably the hardest part of this whole thing for me, but we will keep trying. Well, there's kind of the facial features put into the bear. He's got a smiley face, his nose, his eye wells, ears are set in. So that's what I call locating everything. This this helps me to center everything up, make sure everything is semi-symmetrical. At this point, I would start detailing the fur. Now, you can do many things here to detail the fur. You can either, if the saw is easy enough for you to hold it upside down, which you see me do a lot, that can be one technique for making the rotation of that chain go with the grain so that you get a smooth, clean, crisp detail. It burns better and it takes better to varnish. Soaks up a lot less varnish and oil as far as on the top. It lets that varnish and oil set into the wood. Now, if it's easier, so you see I have this bolted to a piece of wood. It's just 3 screws in the bottom. That helps hold it down, helps stabilize it. I use this wood clamp on the side of my hydro lift cart, up and down to hold the piece steady if I need to. Sometimes I do it without. I'll just show you one way that you can detail a bear. The fur, you can hold the saw sideways, get very comfortable. If you notice that, you see that's kind of the result of what I'm doing is as the tip is hitting the wood, I'm letting it bounce a little bit, and with my backhand, with this hand I'm letting it pivot, with this hand I'm letting that action from the rotation of the chain. It's going to naturally want to make the saw bounce. So
see here, I just covered that area in a few minutes. That's pretty much how it goes.
the whole camera thing is the thing that I'm not very good at, so I hope you can just bear with me. And that's just really simple. Eyes, boom, boom. Yeah. Doesn't take a whole lot. with this flame bit. It's a carbide saber tooth flame bit. Alright guys, there you have it. Just real simple, you know. Simple tools. I use chainsaw, an eye tool. You can make the eyes however you want it figured out. It takes time to get good looking eyes. Even these, can't really. So I'm not good at this camera thing. So, but. There, I do all the detail with the saw. I even use the saw to make the fingers. This I use a little Dremel bit with a router bit on it. I'm going to burn that and then sand it. Those letters will be dark. So I use the saw to do the detail, and then when you burn it. There's many techniques that you can use for detail. This has become my favorite technique and the one that I've used for all the years. And I kind of like to detail, you know, deeply and nicely and make a little bit of the grain show. But it's really up to you, and you can even use the saw to go against the grain if you're comfortable with that, and if you think it looks nice, and go for it. You know, this is me showing what I like to do, the easiest, fastest, and to get the nice product for me. But you'll all develop, you know, you'll all develop things. This might help experienced carvers, you know, to do something different, because when I taught myself this, I said, oh, so that's, you know, that's my look, that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, you know, any questions, please ask, and other than that, we'll see you the next time, and you'll see me probably continue working on this later on. Thank you.